And if it's on fire, take me. I'm happy with your mama. She said, "Man, you could have great TV." If you are here, but if you are Youth Federation, today, Multicultural Day 2025. We are using this opportunity to call the diaspora, home and abroad, far and near. Each and every one of you should come home to contribute to the success and development of this community chapter. I want to once more again extend a warm message to each and every one of you out there that the celebration here is for each and every one of you, including ourselves here. Merry Christmas in arrears and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you all very much for your attention. Keep watching Inclevere TV.